I'm going to talk about the process of getting US tourist visa or B1, B2 visa. There are 7 steps. I will take you through each and every one. So to make it easy and simple for you to understand and process your application, make sure to watch the video till the end because the last 2 steps are very important. The first step is go to your local US embassy website and try to get familiar with the process and look for DS 160 form. You have to fill up the form. Please make sure that you have all the details ready with you because it requires a lot of details to fill up. Step 2 is pay US visa application fee. It is $185, and I want to bring it into your notice that this is non-refundable. So once you make the payment, there will be a confirmation. You have to take the print of that confirmation letter and that you have to take it with you at the time of interview. Step 3 is the photograph. You have to provide a passport size photograph. It should be with a white background and the size should be 2 by 2. To be precise with the details of the photograph, you can check it. All the details are given on the US Embassy website. The fourth step is completion of DS 160 form and making the submission and taking out the print of the confirmation. Once you fill up all the details, you have uploaded the photograph, then you have to make the submission, and once the application is submitted there will be a confirmation. You have to take that printout. This is very important alongside the payment confirmation. These two confirmations you must have to take it with you at the time of interview. The fifth step is scheduling the date for your interview. Once you have filled up your form, you have paid your embassy fee, then the next step will come for the date. At some countries, your interview dates are like 2 weeks away, but at some countries, it is taking over an year. So there is a way you can get an early appointment for your interview. I have already made a video about this one, and the link is in my description. The sixth step is prepare your documents which you have to present at the time of your interview. Compile them in a proper sequence, do some rehearsal, not try to fumble when a visa officer will ask you to present the documents. You should know which document you have kept at what place. The seventh point is the most important point, and it is the interview itself. Your visa is totally dependent on your interview. Before going for the interview, you should locate the embassy, be on time, dress nicely, not very flashy, not very casual. A smart casual is fine, just in the middle, and be yourself. Be ready for the questions and try to convince the visa officer that you are a genuine tourist. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope it will help you, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.